Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by laying the frame face down on a soft towel so glass and edges stay protected. Once done, put on gloves to avoid fingerprints and use a flat tool or fingernail to lift clips or turn buttons. If staples hold the back, gently pry them. Make sure to remove the backing and any old tape. You do this now because clean access prevents dust trapping. Inspect the photo and glass for damage and set everything on the towel in order for the next steps. With the backing removed, clean the inside of the glass using a lint-free cloth and a 1 water vinegar solution if there are smudges. Dry completely. Next, position the photo on the backing. Use corner mounts for non-adhesive placement or small strips of acid-free tape on the top edge to allow expansion. Make sure to align by eye or with a ruler so the image is centered. This prevents crooked display and stress on corners. Once aligned, gently press mounts or tape to secure. Finish by lowering the glass and photo assembly into the frame and replacing the backing. Fasten clips or turn buttons evenly around all sides. Do not over-tighten since it can warp the backing or crack glass. If you notice fogging, separate components, dry them and only reinstall when fully clear. Replace glass or mat if damaged. Finally, hold the frame upright at eye level to confirm alignment and secure any loose edges with small tape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.